What's up, you guys? It's Cashflow Nexus back with another video, and I want to introduce you guys to Ichimoku Cloud Trading. I am dominantly a Ichimoku Cloud trader, and I also trade patterns as well. I mix the two up together to make the best results. So people have it confused what Ichimoku is. They either don't want to either try to attempt it because it looks too cluttered or it looks a certain way. Let me show you guys what it fully looks like, because I want to break it down into small components today. So this is what it looks like all together. Yes, it looks like a wild beast and it looks confusing at first, but I'm gonna break it down and I'm gonna make this a series, so you guys stay tuned for everything that I'm gonna present to you guys. All right, so let me go ahead and take off these other components. I'm gonna break it down today. The focus is going to be on the clouds itself. So what Ichimoku is, what it means, oh shoot. Oh. At one glance, I'm sorry you guys, my neck is tight today, but it means that one glance. So pretty much what Ichimoku does is, once you look at the chart, you already know where the trend is at. You already know if it's an uptrend or downtrend. And it also tells you if the market is in equilibrium or not. So what I mean by that, if it's overbought or oversold. So I'm going to go over just the clouds today because I don't want no confusion today. So pretty much the cloud acts as support and resistance. The cloud also acts as a visual for showing you where the trend is going. Obviously right here, you can see that it's a strong uptrend. And obviously right here, you see that it's in somewhat consolidation, but it's still a downtrend. So rules. All right, I'm gonna type this out for you guys right here. So, ooh. What's going on here? It just wants to act funny today, I see. Let's try that again. All right, there we go. So, looking for buys equals bullish cloud. And you could also change it to whatever color you guys want to. So I'm gonna just say green. Let's color green. Anything above cloud is looking for buying. Looking for buying opportunities. As you can see right here. All right. Make it red. Sells. Type too fast sometimes. Rich. Cloud. Red. Anything below the cloud is looking for selling. Right. I'm gonna put it right here. All right, so you can see that clearly. Anything above, you're looking for buys. Anything below, you're looking for a sell. Now, I want to show you guys when price is moving inside the cloud like this. The cloud is just flat. There's no real direction. I want to show you what that is. Make this white. When cloud is, I'll say clouds are flat, or if price candle are in the clouds, shows consolidation or no opportunity in the market. Bam. All right. So here, no opportunities. Here, buying opportunities. Here, selling opportunities. You just got to identify each one. And this stands true for all time frames. So let me go ahead and delete those. You guys should have wrote those down by now. Bam. Let's go to the hour time frame. Says true here. Look at that. And it's a thick cloud. So if I haven't said this already, whenever there's thickness in the cloud, that shows that there's a lot of volatility in the market and that it's a strong uptrend or a strong downtrend whenever it's really thick. Whenever you see that it's really thin, like in this area, that means, and also in this area, that means the market has a strong chance of reversing, or this cloud has a higher chance of being disrespected and breaking down. You see right here, broken. It's still thin, it's not as thick over here. But it is still possible for it to come down and break through a thick cloud. It's just not as likely for when it's thinner. See, it's thin here. Starting a new uptrend right here. So as you could tell, if you haven't already figured out, the clouds also act as support and resistance. I'm going to show you. So right here, it came down. Buyers wanted to push the market up. Price is starting to make its way up. But it could still come down because there's another part. You see this flat area right here? That's also a support or resistance area, depending on which direction the market is in. As this is a resistance right here. Resistance right here. Always realize that the cloud acts as support or resistance. Now, if it's coming down, these flat areas or the cloud itself is a support. When it's a buying situation, these clouds act as resistance. So it's flat here, it's respected here, came down, wanted to come back up, test that level again. It respected, it came down, but look, it bounced off this cloud, made its way up, and it's free right here. Free. Look, and it's thick. So momentum is very strong coming upward. You just got to trust the process of the clouds. So basically, when it comes to cloud trading, this is the simplest way to identify where trend is going and headed, and to use these clouds, these flat zones, as support and resistance. All right. So I appreciate you guys, tuning into this small video. I'm gonna make the next video, and we're gonna go over Tinkinson and Kijunsen, which play a big role in forming these clouds. So I hope you guys liked this video. Stay tuned for the next one, and subscribe and like this video and share it. If you are new to cloud trading, definitely, put it down in the description box what you'd like to see. I will make, well, let me get through to that. I will make more videos on how to trade clouds, maybe even give you some of my tricks and tips on how to enter the market. All right. But other than that, you guys stay tuned. Enjoy this video, like it, share it, and have a good one. Peace.